use the method of elimination to solve the system of linear equations. We have 2x minus 3y equals 32. 3x plus 6y equals negative 15. All right, now to solve by elimination, the first thing you want to make sure is that all of your variables are lined up. I have my x's lined up. My y's are lined up. My constants are lined up. But most important of all, the most important thing is to make sure that your equal sign is lined up. So I have everything lined up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the equations together. Okay, let's check that. When we add the equations together, what we want to happen is we want a variable to eliminate. So right now, if I added my x's together, would the x's eliminate? No, you would get 5x. If I added my y's together, would the y's eliminate? No, I would get 3y. So right now, it doesn't work, but I'm going to force it to work. So what I want to do is choose which one to eliminate. Choose x or y, it doesn't matter which one. So let's choose x. What I want to do is I want to force it so that when I add those x's together, they're going to cancel each other out. So they need to be the same number with the opposite sign. So I'm going to find the least common multiple of the coefficients of x. That's going to be 6. 2 goes into 6 evenly, 3 goes into 6 evenly. That's our least common multiple. So if I want to change that coefficient, of 2 to a 6, I need to multiply by 3. I'm going to multiply that whole equation by 3. If I want to force this coefficient of 3 to be a 6, I need to multiply that whole equation by 2. Okay? But that's not going to work either, because that would give them both be 6. 6x plus 6x would be 12x. Remember, we want it to eliminate. So we need one of these to be a negative to make that work. That would make one of them a positive 6x, the other one a negative 6x, and when you add them, it'll eliminate. So let's multiply that 3 by every term in the first equation. That becomes 6x minus 9y equals 36 times 6 is 216. Negative 2 times 3x is 6x. Negative 2 times 6y is negative 12y. This should be negative. Negative 2 times 3 is a negative 6. Okay? And negative 2 times negative 15 will be a positive 30. Now we're going to add the equations together. You see why we want them lined up so that we add the like terms together? So the 6x's cancel. We'll combine the y's together to get a negative 21y. $216 plus 30 would be $246. I'll divide both sides by negative 21, and that gives me, and I'm pausing for a second because I just caught a mistake of mine. If you go back to the original problem, notice this up here says 32, but I wrote 36, so let me fix that. At 32, that should be 32, and 32 times 3 would give me a 96 here. And 96 plus 30 would give me a 126 here. And 126 divided by 21, negative 21 would be negative 6. Okay, so we have the y coordinate. Now we're going to get the x coordinate. So what we do is we take that y equals negative 6, and you can substitute it in for this y, or you can substitute it in for this y. Either one will work. So we have y equals negative 6, 2x minus 3 times y equals 32, 2x plus 18 equals 32, subtract 18 on both sides, gives me 14, 2x equals 14, divide by 2 and get x equals 7. So our solution is 7, negative 6. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.